Let me take you into a beautiful meditation for the night before you go to bed, inviting into your life the blessings of the universe, the blessings of your spirit guides. So I want you now to simply close your eyes. You can start this when you're settled in your bed. As you settle yourself in your bed and in your pillow, allow yourself to close your eyes and allow yourself to experience your beautiful breath. Breathing in through your nose to the count of 3. You can hold to the count of 3 and exhale to the count of 3 and hold to the count of 3. So let's do this 3 times. Inhale, 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, and hold. 1, 2, and 3. And exhale, 1, 2, and 3. And hold. 1, 2, and 3. Once again. Inhale, 1, 2, and 3. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. And hold. 1, 2, and 3. And exhale. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Take your time to observe your breath as it falls into a beautiful rhythm and your body starts to relax. And I want you now to direct your breath from your heart center to the different parts of your body. Feel a beautiful, deep sensation coming up from your heart. A warm, fuzzy feeling that you can now simply spread to different parts of your body. So allow this warm, fuzzy feeling to start to fill up your toes, small toe and the bigger toes, and then your feet and ankles, and slowly climbing up into your legs, your knees, entering your thighs and your pelvic area, into your organs, your abdomen, going up into your torso and your chest, your arms and shoulders and neck, and the fingers in your arms, in your hands, up into your jaws, your face, your ears, your nose, your eyes, and your crown. By now, this warm, fuzzy feeling is making your body go fully limp. Allow your body to speak to you. Observe where you feel the pain and the discomfort. And you can simply say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You have thanked your body for holding you up through the day. And this is a beautiful Hawaiian ritual of clearing energy and thanking, seeking forgiveness for ignorance, and being grateful for everything in life. And let us now focus inwards into your heart and your soul. As you do that, intent, I now invoke and invite the presence of my divine self and my spirit guides into this space. And as you do that, you'll start to feel a beautiful loving embrace and a loving frequency of their presence. So thank them. Simply say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. With this, you clear out any dissonant energies between you and your divine self, and you and your spirit guides. So you'll start to feel even better, vibrating a little better as you start to feel their love and their blessings in every cell of your being. Allow yourself to start to feel this beautiful grace, a grace that is so peaceful, so calm. And as you go deeper into sleep, you can put an intention out of whatever you would like to see. So if you have questions in your mind about some part of your life, some aspect of your life, tell them. And tell them. Show it to you as you sleep, to take you where you need to go as you sleep. And with that, send them love. Close your eyes and go deep in. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. This is a simple ritual, but it will help you sleep so much better, and it will start to shift your energetics, your reality. If you do this regularly, and you will feel so much better when you wake up in the morning. It's a beautiful exercise, and I would like to hear back from you. Thank you.